decent throw here. He's in 8th place, and he desperately wants a further 3 efforts. The Commonwealth champion, the African champion. He's under a little bit of pressure here. Big roar. Does he like it? Does he like it? That is absolutely huge. I cannot believe it. That is well over 90 metres. Now, we know he's capable of that kind of distance. He did that at Birmingham, where he produced a huge national record of 91.39. That is absolutely colossal.
Well, the championship record, the great Jan Zalesny, 92.80, and he's getting close.